What up, y'all? It's your boy JC. We are back. We are back with another reaction. Today, we're going to be listening to this new artist that goes by the name Buckle Down. This song's called Get It, White Boy, featuring Kid G. Let's see what this is about.
Say, man, turn this shit around, throw something for a white boy real quick. Shit, get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Ay. Every time I hit the club, they all be screaming, get it, white boy. Bitches love my music, cause that shit be hitting right, boy. Love it in the covers, cause I hit it all night, boy. They leave the fucking house without a screaming, get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Saying you don't know me, but you gon' remember, white boy. Get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Saying you don't know me, but you gon' remember, white boy. She ain't never met a cracker that can do it like me. I been a gangster in the streets, I hit the G up in the sheet. They stack the cheese up on the feast, I got them creaming and they see. You want a reason, you can throw it, tell the DJ play that heat. You feel that music, bitch, then beat it up. Home, show me you can eat it up. Push the boy, go buy a bottle, think they throw it ass for free or something. Dope, you ain't teeing up. Stop twerking, you ain't teeing up. Why the fuck you sitting sober? Grab that bottle and bitch, drink it up. Every time I hit the club, they all be screaming, get it, white boy. Bitches love my music, cause that shit be hitting right, boy. Love
Yeah, get it, white boy. Get it, get it.
in the covers, cause I hit it all night, boy. They leave the fucking house without a screaming, get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Saying you don't know me, but you gon' remember, white boy. Get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Saying you don't know me, but you gon' remember, white boy.
I'm hard as fuck with all this beer inside the station. These hustle bitches got them all thinking I'm from Texas. I said, now y'all thinking about my butt with all this beer inside the station. These hustle.
Hey, you don't know me, but you gon' remember, white boy.
I'm hard as fuck with all this beer inside the station. These hustle bitches got them all thinking I'm from Texas. I said, now y'all thinking about my boy named Buckle Down. She started throwing that thing back up on my buckle.
He said, now y'all thinking about my boy Buckle Down. Yeah, she started throwing down. Yeah, now I'm buckled down.
Them all thinking I'm from Texas. I said, now y'all thinking about my boy named Buckle Down. She started throwing that thing back up on my buckle down. Come here, make that ass clap. Come here, said make that ass clap, baby. I'm a white boy. I hit it right, boy.
Every time I hit the club, they all be screaming, get it, white boy. Bitches love my music, cause that shit be hitting right, boy. Love it in the covers, cause I hit it all night, boy. They leave the fucking house without a screaming, get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Get it, white,
Get it, white boy.
Saying you don't know me, but you gon' remember, white boy. Get it, white boy. Get it, white boy. Saying you don't know me, but you gon' remember, white boy.
Oh, get it, white boy, get it. I know this video is not very long, but thanks for tuning in, y'all. I love that song. Y'all go check out Get It, White Boy, Buckle Down, Kid G. Let's do this. Love y'all.